Welcome back everyone. This is Moni Singh and today we are going to learn about soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Basically, soil erosion is removal of topsoil by wind and water. When there is strong wind is blowing over a farming land, over somewhere there is soil, or if heavy rain is there on the farming land, then topsoil is removed out due to heavy rain and wind, strong wind. Okay, so what happens? The plant roots, if in a certain area, if there are lots of plants, okay, then the roots of plants formally hold the soil particles together. So due to the presence of plants, soil can't be removed out because roots can hold soil particles together and it will not allow soil to washed away through water or rain or blown away along with air. But if there is lacking of plants, in that case easily soil can be removed out, carried away by water and by wind. So let us discuss about causes of soil erosion. Deforestation. As we know that plant roots can hold soil, so if there is cutting down of plants, somewhere if plants are cut down, right, plants को काट दिया गया, in that case due to cutting down of trees, plants, soil is loosened, and due to the loosening of soil it can easily washed away along with water and carried away with wind. Next one, flood and heavy rain. Obviously it wash away the topsoil if in any certain area there is like flood हो रहा हो या फिर heavy rain है, due to that the topsoil can be removed out easily. Okay. Next is overgrazing. Animals graze over the grasses which are found over which grow जो कि soil के ऊपर होते हैं. Then due to the grazing the roots are also removed. Okay, so roots हट गए तो the soil particles are not much like tightly packed, those are loosened due to the removal of roots of grasses. जो grasses के roots है that holds soil, formally holds soil particles together, and due to the removal of roots of grasses due to overgrazing the soil particles are loosened, and due to the loosening of soil particles the topsoil is removed out. Okay. And forest fire, due to forest fire the plants, trees are they catch fire, and due to the burning of plants finally lacking of plants will be there and topsoil will be removed. So these are the reasons, causes for soil erosion. So what we can do to protect stop soil erosion, how we can prevent soil erosion. So the process of prevention of soil erosion is called conservation of soil. So soil can be conserved by afforestation, flood control, terrace farming, preventing overgrazing. So afforestation is a process of plantation of tree. That means planting more and more trees, more and more plants to protect, to stop soil erosion, because plants will hold the soil particles together and it will not allow soil to move away, carried away along with wind or water. The next one, flood control. After construction of dams, by constructing dams, flood can be controlled on a particular area. Terrace farming. In terrace farming, there are steps are there, and due to that steps, the flow of water is controlled. The speed of water flowing after rain is controlled. So terrace farming reduces the speed of water flow towards downward, because water will flow step by step. Okay. So the speed is controlled. So if speed of water flow is controlled, then topsoil can't be removed. Preventing overgrazing. If we will prevent overgrazing, then grasses can't be removed out from the soil, नहीं हटेगा, so soil can be held together, soil particles can be held together and we can control soil erosion. Okay, so now our chapter is completed. If any doubt, you can write on the comment section. Now you look at the screen.